go ahead and get started. Okay, first we are going up the escalators. Whee! Let's go ahead and see what we can find.
Oh, look at this.
Ooh, those are plants. Yeah! Good job. Oopsie daisies. Wow, why do I keep on dropping stuff? Ooh, that looks for me.
You like this one?
$1,000.
No, I just need the bed frame.
We just came from Living Spaces and Ashley's Furniture. And
To me, it's a lot.
just the bed is by itself, just the frames, like king bed, solid wood, they're like $600-$700.
Yeah.
Look at this bed, guys. Look at this bed. It's really nice. Ooh, look at that. Let's go check it out. I like this. Ooh, that one too. It's good. It's good. It's not food. I'm curious. Looks good. This bed looks nice.
Yeah.
Think so?
Yeah.
Take a picture. Just put me.
I have my Ikea bed frame.
Upload it.
So like,
Look at that.
Frame is good. So that type of mattress you bought with frame is
Don't tell me.
Little.
Oh, on the wall?
Yeah, and this is I can't remember if it's passing San Bernardino.
Yeah.
This could be a furniture. And they're really nice.
Oh, she's so cute.
This one, what I like about this one is that you don't need a
Ooh.
box.
This looks interesting, guys. See this? That's a whoopin'. Great. Create your dream room just for sweat. To me, it's a lot, guys. Look at these mini chairs. You guys gotta see. Look at them. Look at that. There's another chair. I'm sorry. There's another chair. Oh, these are so cute.
Now you're gonna be like, no, I need another one. Oh yeah.
Say hi, Mom. Mom's nervous. Hello. Ooh, this is a nice one. Mom, I'm gonna look around, okay?
No, baby, wait.
No, I'm gonna look around here.
Okay. Just right here, okay?
Hey. Peace, guys. Peace. Huh? But I wanted to check out the restroom.
Oh, okay. Good.
You gotta come here. It looks very nice.
I know, right?
Oh, this is a nice sink. Nice toilet.
I know.
I want to check in the.
Cute, huh?
Wow, it's very nice in there. Okay, let's follow my mom, the queen of everything.